So, what's up mga pre? Mamaya pala, lalabas kami sa India. Bibili kami ng mga chichirya. Titignan natin kung ano yung pwede natin mabili. Issue. Lalabas na!
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want to
Basta ngayon, natungtong na ng India.
just wanna